So with all the killings in Benue States, with all the things happening in this country, the only thing that is giving the Senate President headache is how to arrest Senator Natasha, how to disgrace her, how to give her public disgrace. That is the only thing that is giving you headache. With all the problem going on in this country, with all the insecurity in this country, with all the hunger in this country, with all the bad road in this country, without the light that we do not have in this country, with all the things happening going south in this country, a lot of things now got wrong in this country. The only problem you guys have is how to arrest Senator Natasha and disgrace her, give her public disgrace because she complained of being sexually harassed. That was the reason you guys have left the main thing. Look at how many people that were born in Benue State. 200 and something persons were sent to the great beyond in a mysterious way. Senate President and Yahaya Bello, the only thing that is bothering you guys is how to arrest an ordinary woman that accused you guys of harassing her sexually. Something that is within her right to complain as a human being, as a bona fide citizen of this country. You guys already filed a lawsuit against her. You said it's international, national lawsuit against the woman. She was supposed to appear in court on Thursday, which is this Thursday coming now. She was supposed to appear in court. Then all of a sudden, you guys went ahead behind her to apply for another lawsuit against her. So that one you guys will judge it behind her back. So that the courts will give you guys the power and authority to arrest her. All you guys are looking for is how to humiliate her, how to reduce her, how to make her ordinary woman, how to pour spit on her face, how to pour dirty poto on her body. That is all you guys wanted. That's why you guys ignored the lawsuit, the existing lawsuit already that you guys had with her. Now went to apply for another one. And in this case now, you guys refused to serve her. It was someone that gave her the tips that she was being served. The lawyer was like, how come? That's why it's good for you to have a smart lawyer. A lawyer that knows when to move. Immediately the lawyer got the information. Someone called the lawyer and said, your case is being heard in court today. Are you not supposed to be in court? The lawyer was like, what kind of case is that? According to what was out there, they said that your client, her matter is being discussed in courts. The lawyer rushed down, wore his garment immediately, rushed down to the courts. On getting to the court, it was the matter that was being deliberated. It was the case that they were handling her case. Had it been that this lawyer did not go, they will declare her, they will give her bench warrants. Sorry, they will give her bench warrants, meaning that she did not honor the court invitation. Then, because of giving her bench warrants, they will now give the people the authority to go and arrest her, because she did not appear in court. Meanwhile, when the lawyer got in there, the lawyer was surprised and said he was never informed about anything. Nobody informed him. He was not informed. His client was not informed. They said they were finding a way to send him message that they did this and did that. The lawyer was like, how? You know my office. You have my contacts. You know how to connect with me. You know how to contact me. If there's anything like that, you have a different avenue to inform me about another lawsuit. But you guys did not do it. Then you guys want to go behind me to judge a matter. Maybe the one that is coming up on Thursday might not favor them. Or maybe the judge that is presiding over that one is not in their favor. So they want to now file another lawsuit with the law, with the judge that will now favor them, so that before you know it, because this thing they are doing, and you know they are doing hand in hand with somebody that is going to preside over this particular case. Now maybe the one has promised them that this is how we are going to do it. If we can do this, if we can do that, if we can get her not to come to court, you understand, we can judge it behind her and we'll give her bench warrants, then you now have the right to arrest her. And when the lawyer got to the court, he saw plenty of police officers, armies, soldiers, hundreds of them. So we have all these hundreds of soldiers, hundreds of armies, hundreds of police, and Benue State was bleeding. All these people, you have them and you kept them. Why Benue State, they busy, they bleed. You understand? The lawyer could not take it. He was mad with them. He was very mad with them. That was how the lawyer saved that situation. And I asked again, is it wrong for a woman? Is it wrong for you to beat a child? Like, you beat a child, you feel like it's right for that child not to cry. Is it wrong for a woman to raise alarm? You guys suspended her immediately. She alleged that you guys were assaulting her sexually. She was given 6 months suspension without pay. Her security and everything was taken away from her simply because she alleged something. She said you do, and she had, according to her proofs are there. And you all were busy forcing her, bring the proof. She is not going to bring your proof on social media. Social media is not law courts. The proof will be presented to the courts, and her lawyers must have preview or have they are in possession of all this evidence that you guys are looking for. It is the duty of the lawyer to present it in courts. So why are you guys trying to stop that judgment, that's sitting on Thursday? Why are they trying so fast to stop the one that is coming up on Thursday? Why file another suit ahead of the Thursday own? You want the judgment to take place before Thursday. This one happened on Monday. So you wanted to take her unawares, so that once they declare her, gave her that bench warrant, then the next thing is to arrest her, then the next thing is to detain her. Then the case, the law suit you guys filed that is coming up on Thursday will now be null and void, because who is coming to answer? The person is already in the court, in detention. So the arrangement is for you, the idea is for you people to arrest her. So all these things is just to shut her up. Just to shut her up so that she won't talk again. Just to silence her because she's a woman. Just to silence her because she is a woman. Why are you guys not asking for the evidence? Because in court on that Thursday, she will prove, she'll bring her evidence. So why are you guys trying to silence her? Why are you guys trying not to allow her come to court with that evidence? Something that is coming up on Thursday. You are filing another lawsuit, another national lawsuit against her on Monday. Meanwhile, you have issue pending one on Thursday. So you wanted this one to take to judge the matter between Monday, Tuesday, so that this other one will now be null and void. Why? Is it not in court that she's supposed to present her evidence? So why are you trying so hard to stop the evidence? And my anger in all of this is that you now send security to go to court. Even the people that saw, the lawyer, when he came in, he was surprised. He was like, what is going on? Is there a kind of war or something? So all this security, all this plenty security for just one woman. For just one woman. And thank goodness that woman, Natasha, now God is the one in charge of this her case. God is really handling this case for her. If not for God, they would have rendered her useless by now. You all should leave Natasha, go to Benue State and fight. Plenty things